Hello children, good morning to you all. I hope you have understood the story of yesterday's lesson. It was so interesting, a strange visitor. You understood the lesson, I think. It's in the form of a story. It is about the faithfulness of animals towards their master. And today I am going to give you difficult words of the same lesson for drilling. Only for drilling here, and typed matter you are going for to get for writing. So here I am writing the words and reading them 3 times each. You also please sit with your textbook, underline in the textbook and read with me 3 times. I am going to read them very slowly so that you also can repeat after me. So let us begin with the difficult words today. Strange visitor is our lesson. First word, emergency. Emergency. E-M-E-R-G-E-N-C-Y, emergency. E-M-E-R-G-E-N-C-Y, emergency. Crowded. C-R-O-W-D-E-D, crowded. C-R-O-W-D-E-D, crowded. Mahout. M-A-H-O-U-T, Mahout. M-A-H-O-U-T, Mahout. Fourth one, admitted. A-D-M-I-T-T-E-D, admitted. A-D-M-I-T-T-E-D, admitted. Assistant. A-S-S-I-S-T-A-N-T, assistant. A-S-S-I-S-T-A-N-T, assistant. Happened. H-A-P-P-E-N-E-D, happened. H-A-P-P-E-N-E-D, happened. Complained. C-O-M-P-L-A-I-N-E-D, complained. C-O-M-P-L-A-I-N-E-D, complained. C-O-M-P-L-A-I-N-E-D, complained. Severe. S-E-V-E-R-E, severe. S-C-V-E-R-E, severe. Next, S-C-R-A-M-B-L-E-D O-U-T, scrambled out. S-C-R-A-M-B-L-E-D, scrambled, O-U-T, out. Scrambled out. Fainted. F-A-I-N-T-E-D, fainted. Explained. E-X-P-L-A-I-N-E-D, explained. E-X-P-L-A-I-N-E-D, explained. C-O-M-P-O-U-N-D, compound. C-O-M-P-O-U-N-D, compound. C-O-M-P-O-U-N-D, compound. G-O-A-D, gourd. G-O-A-D, gourd. G-O-A-D, gold. DIFFI CULTY difficulty. DIFFI CULTY difficulty. DISCHARGED discharge. DISCHARGED discharged. 16th worried. WORRIED worried. Worried. Enough. ENOUGH enough. ENOUGH enough. Then flapped. FLAPPED flapped. FLAPPED flapped. GOBBLED gobbled. UP up gobbled up. GOBBLED gobbled. UP up gobbled up. 20 onlookers. on LOOKERS onlookers. ONLOOKERS onlookers. Amazed. AMAZED amazed. AMAZED amazed. Last one, just we are reading it. Even if you don't see the board at the bottom, not a problem. I will give you in writing. EXCLAIMED exclaimed. EXCLAIMED exclaimed. Now let us read them. Let us read these words. Okay. So, please look at the board and repeat after me. EMERGENCY emergency. EMERGENCY emergency. EMERGENCY emergency. EMERGENCY emergency. CROWDED crowded. CROWDED crowded. CROWDED crowded. CROWDED crowded. MAHOUT mouth. MAHOUT mouth. MAHOUT mouth. ADMITTED admitted. ADMITTED admitted. ADMITTED admitted. ASSISTANT assistant. ASSISTANT assistant. ASSISTANT assistant. HAPPENED happened. HAPPENED happened. HAPPENED happened. COMPLAINED complained. COMPLAINED complained. COMPLAINED complained. SEVERE severe. SEVERE severe. SEVERE severe. SCRAMBLED scrambled. OUT out scrambled out. SCRAMBLED scrambled. OUT out scrambled out. SCRAMBLED scrambled. OUT out scrambled out. FAINTED fainted. FAINTED fainted. FAINTED fainted. EXPLAINED explained. EXPLAINED explained. EXPLAINED explained. COMPOUND compound. COMPOUND compound. COMPOUND compound. GOAD God. GOAD God. GOAD God. DIFFI CULTY difficulty. DIFFI CULTY difficulty. DIFFI CULTY difficulty. DIS dis CHARGED charged discharged. DIS CHARGED discharged. DIS CHARGED discharged. WORRIED worried. WORRIED worried. WORRIED worried. ENOUGH enough. ENOUGH enough. ENOUGH enough. FLAPPED flapped. FLAPPED flapped. FLAPPED flapped. FLAPPED flapped. GOBBLED gobbled. UP up gobbled up. GOBBLED gobbled. UP up gobbled up. GOBBLED gobbled. UP up gobbled up. ONLOOKERS onlookers. ONLOOKERS onlookers. ONLOOKERS onlookers. AMAZED amazed. AMAZED amazed. AMAZED amazed. EXCLAIMED exclaimed. EXCLAIMED exclaimed. EXCLAIMED exclaimed. So these are 22 hard words only. In this lesson we got only 22. Other words occurred in almost all the lessons. That's why I reduced the number to make it easy for you to copy. And so I want all of you to write them 3 times each in your notebook and learn the spelling. Don't miss any word. Please write all the words 3 times each in your notebook. So today we will stop our lesson here. Understand? And tomorrow I will give you meanings or question answers. So thank you children. Here ends our class.